If you are wondering what to cook for dinner today, wait, this video is for you because this method of making Nigerian jollof spaghetti will get you inspired. Yes, you heard me. But before we get into how I prepare it, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so for more amazing recipes. And if you have subscribed, please like, share and comment, and make sure you watch till the end. This jollof spaghetti is very easy to make, and if you don't have pepper or fresh pepper and onion, you can make it with your leftover stew or sauce. As you can see, I made mine from a little bit of grated onion and tomato paste and pepper, and then I combine everything with my leftover sauce. It is very delicious, and you thank me later when you try it. Tell me if you'll be trying this method of making Nigerian jollof spaghetti. Happy watching. Thank you. Bye. Please subscribe.